So to those people that share Mark's opinion, it's a bad opinion. No matter how you gain an audience, the fact that you can gain an audience is enough. The fact that you can get people to pay $5 for your special that they wouldn't touch on Netflix. Um, oh man, I'm trying to think of the comedian that just did Louis C.K. Louis C.K. Stumbles a bit, makes a big mistake, releases his comedy show, $5-10 on his own website, makes millions from it. So guess what? You do not get to be a gatekeeper anymore. Social media has seen to that. And to all of the people that are on social media right now with your millions of followers and subscribers and whatnot, and you have not monetized that, you have not gone in and put that to use to create and generate wealth for yourselves, shame on you as well. Now, look, you don't have to, but I think personally, if you want my opinion, that is a shame. You could put that to good use. You could generate, not maybe you don't want to generate wealth for yourself. Okay, fair enough. But use that for good. Use that to pump someone else, to help someone else up. And, these vanity grams, I have a real hard time with them. Now, again, it's one person's opinion, and I'm not here saying that my opinion is any more important than anybody else's, but it is something that's food for thought. And you have every right to come into the comment section again and challenge me on those beliefs. But I would say to the Mark Marons of the world, social media isn't just a tool for brands that and influencers. It's a stage. The world is a stage. Social media is a stage, and it's for artists, and it's including comics like you, by the way, to connect directly with your audience, to build an audience without interference from anyone. That no one can stop you from putting out your comedy.